everybody, this is Fox Nomad, and today I want to help you travel smarter by reviewing the Ridge Wallet, which is a premium titanium encased RFID blocking wallet designed for travelers. The Ridge Wallet is a modern take on the wallet, designed to be more like a money clip and sort of blur the lines between the two. It's titanium plated and it has RFID blocking. A little bit more on that in a minute. Just looking at the outside design, it weighs about 2.5 ounces and is 86 by 54 by 6 millimeters. The Ridge Wallet can hold 1 to 12 credit cards in it and has this money clip which is detachable if you use the screws on the front. So this particular model is the titanium black, but you can get it in several different styles. All of the Ridge Wallet though have this really premium slick looking design. It's supposed to be very thin and light, and it is, but I felt this money clip on the back felt just a little bit out of place. And the exterior in my limited use seems pretty resistant to any scuffing or scratches. You take your credit cards out by pushing on this little thumb handle and that releases them. It's a pretty tight grip, so when I put 12 cards in here, it was really tight. I don't know if that's the ideal configuration. You're probably going to have much less than that, maybe like 5 or 6 cards. And on the back you have this money clip which sort of sticks out. Again, you can detach this using the screws on the front, but I found it to be a little bit cumbersome when taking the wallet in and out of my pocket. They do have an optional money strap, which I found much more easy to take in and out of my pocket, but the money clip isn't terrible. It's definitely a lot thinner and lighter than a typical wallet, and the profile is still really small in the pocket. So everything on the Ridge Wallet is designed to be really tight and precise. You can use this screwdriver that comes in the package to sort of adjust the wallet, so if you want it a little bit tighter or looser, you can do that. But it's clear that they've designed this so you shouldn't have to make too many adjustments. It's really designed to keep all of your credit cards in this tight little package so that you don't have to worry about them falling out. You want this to be very slick, but you also want it to be really functional. And it's pretty good at doing that. Now, going back to one of the main features of this wallet is the RFID blocking. So if you have a credit card that has a touchless sensor in it so you can pay just by tapping it onto a sensor, then the RFID blocking feature of this wallet is designed to protect your credit cards. Now, RFID technology is used in a lot of things. It's used in Metro cards, it's used in all kinds of contactless stuff, but threats against credit cards, there aren't really good statistics on how often such an attack is used, and on a technical side, the attacks are not entirely very practical. So while RFID, when it first came out, people were very worried about there being many attacks and it being easy to steal information from RFID chips, we really don't have a lot of statistics on how common those attacks are. And on the flip side, in terms of technical feasibility, those attacks are pretty narrow. So while RFID blocking sounds great, it's probably not giving you much more protection than a typical wallet would. Now, where the RFID blocking does come in handy though is if you use a Metro card, you can stick that on the money clip on the outside of the Ridge Wallet and have your credit cards on in the inside. So that way you could be able to swipe your Metro card easily from the outside of the Ridge Wallet and make sure that the RFID chips on your credit cards aren't interfered with, just to make sure that the Metro sensor does pick up the RFID chip. So the Ridge Wallet does two things very well, but I think that might take away from it a little bit in terms of travel. The first is the slim profile. Slim profile is really great when you're traveling, so you don't have this bulge in your pocket that screams pickpocket me, but also make sure that you don't lose anything, so you're not fumbling through different cards in your pocket that are just hanging out loose. The money clip on the back though makes it just slightly cumbersome to take this in and out of your pocket. So if you're going to buy the Ridge Wallet, I would recommend you go with the strap instead of the money clip. But again, that's up to you. You might not have this problem, but I would prefer the profile to be just a little bit flatter on both sides. Now, in terms of the premium quality, this thing looks premium and it definitely is built very well. It comes with a lifetime guarantee, but it might look a little bit too nice in my opinion, depending on where you're traveling. So obviously, if you leave your wallet anywhere when you're traveling, there's a pretty good chance that it'll get stolen. But if you're taking this thing in and out of your pocket, it looks a little bit more enticing for some reason. Maybe that's just me, maybe I'm just a little bit more paranoid, but I like all my products to have a little bit of an ugly look. So whether it's a camera case or a backpack, having them look a little bit scuffed up and not too interesting, making them look as ordinary as possible, I feel like is a good theft deterrent. I'm not quite sure about that, that's just my personal feeling. But if that's not a concern for you and you want a premium look, you want this money clip to look nice, be nice, and be extremely slick, then the Ridge Wallet might be for you. So it comes down to the main question, which is the title of this video. Would you pay $100 for this wallet? Is RFID blocking and a premium look worth it for you? So let me know what you think of the Ridge Wallet in the comments below, and while you're down there, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you really like this video, please hit the subscribe button. I'll have new videos for you every week. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. By which is an RFID, which is a